Hello guys, I'm your favorite JB from JB Tech. Now I'm come here with this new video because of the new problem arrived from Airtel Billings app for Free Fire and other games. Like Airtel billing is not available now, so I will tell you why is that problem and how is that problem. Let's go to Free Fire and open an airdrop. As you can see in the screen, and you can see I have selected State Bank of India for payment method, but I don't really have an account in that. And you can see my Google Play balance is 9.57 paisa only, so I need Airtel billing because Airtel billing is so easy and we can just recharge or top up and we can make our payment through that. So it's not available now. I will show you how it is now. I'm going to switch my account and I will go to Play Store and open payment methods, and you can see my SIM there, Airtel 9495, and it is written that unavailable because Airtel is now not. This problem is causing because of some bugs, and this is a main problem now. But and a news is arrived that rumors are telling that Airtel is going to cancel its in-app purchases by top-ups. So this is not an easier way to top up or buy an in-app purchases thing in Free Fire or PUBG. You need to find other ways to do it. So I made another video to earn money free from Google itself. Its name is Google Play Opinions Rewards, and down in the description it's the link. You can just click on the link and get that videos full, and I will teach you how to download and how to sign in and how to get money from that. And you can see there are other methods also, like net banking for Free Fire and credit card, debit card. You cannot just use net banking because net banking is not that safe, because you can just be robbed from that. So use credit card or debit card. Credit card and debit cards are more easier because it has one time password and so much of password take. So just